I'm Kender Saint-Juste, and today I'm presenting my elderly care management system, in short ECMS, developed for my software construction course at Penn State University. This project was inspired by my personal experience with my grandmother, who currently lives in a nursing home. During my visit, I observed significant communication challenges between caregivers, family members, and healthcare providers. Information gaps that created anxiety and uncertainty for everyone involved. Through this project, I've developed a solution to address these challenges and enhance elderly care coordination. Let me start by explaining the specific problem this system addresses. As a family member visiting my grandmother in her nursing home, I often struggle to get timely updates about her health status, medication changes, and daily activities. This communication gap is a common challenge faced by many families with elderly loved ones in care facilities. Additionally, I observe caregivers managing multiple patients, tracking medications, and maintaining records using outdated systems. With the growing aging population worldwide, there's an increasing need for digital solutions that can enhance care coordination and information sharing. These personal experiences directly inform the design and functionality of the elderly care management system. Based on these observations, I established several core requirements for the system. The interface needed to be user-friendly, particularly for elderly individuals with limited technology experience. The system needed comprehensive health tracking with visualizations, medication reminders, and emergency alert functionality. I also implemented modern features, including role-based interfaces tailored to different users, automatic theme switching, and responsive design for all devices. The success criteria established included improving communication between stakeholders, enhancing health monitoring, and creating an intuitive experience for users of all technical abilities. The system follows a client-server architecture with clear separation of concerns. The front end is built with React and Material UI components, providing a modern responsive interface. The Express.js backend serves RESTful API endpoints that deliver health data, medication schedules, and emergency contact information. For this prototype, I'm using mock data responses, but the architecture is designed to easily integrate with real databases in the future. State management is handled through React hooks, keeping the implementation clean and maintainable without additional complexity. My UI framework selection journey was particularly educational. I began with Tailwind CSS, which I've used throughout the past assignments that I did in the class. As I mentioned, I began with Tailwind CSS for its utility, first approach, and flexibility, but encountered configuration challenges with React 19.1, then attempted to integrate Chakra UI for its accessibly focused components, but faced compatibility issues with peer dependencies. Finally, I implemented Material UI, which provided accessible components, a flexible theming system, excellent documentation, and better compatibility with React 19. This exploration improved my understanding of component architecture and styling approaches in modern React application. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, if I could go ahead and provide a live demo. So I'll go full screen. When users first access the system, they are greeted with this welcome page, providing an overview of key features. Users can select their role. Users can select their role as an elderly person, caregiver, or a family member. The elderly dashboard is designed with accessibility in mind, featuring large text and simplified navigation. They prominently display health metrics, prominently displays health metrics, medication reminders, and emergency contacts. If we may go to the caregiver dashboard, the caregiver dashboard focuses on patient management with color-coded status indicators highlighting patients requiring immediate attention. The medication schedule centralizes administration times across patients, helping caregivers track adherence. Medication reports. I may switch to family member. The family dashboard provides relatives with peace of mind through health status monitoring, return indicators, recent activities tracking, and upcoming appointments. This dashboard directly addresses the information gap I experienced with my grandmother's care. As far as for feature, I meant to go over the settings as well. We do have the settings where we can switch, get notifications, and we can switch this to dark mode or light mode as well. Right. Hope that was pretty good. Looking ahead, I've identified several key areas for future enhancement. User authentication will support multiple profiles for managing multiple elderly relatives. Wearable device integration will provide real-time health monitoring without manual inputs such as Apple devices, Apple Watch, and Samsung. AI-powered health insight could detect anomalies before they become serious issues. Telemedicine features will enable remote consultations, reducing the difficulty of travel for elderly patients, which we know that can be difficult, and that will be very beneficial as far as timing and driving, etc. Enhanced accessibility features will improve usability for users with limited mobility. Native mobile applications will provide improved access with push notifications, and additional data management features will allow for printing reports and exporting information. During development, I encountered several challenges, including UI library compatibility issues, designing for users with varying technical abilities, and balancing simplicity with functionality. In conclusion, the elderly care management system addresses critical challenges in elderly care that I've personally witnessed through my grandmother's experience. By enhancing communication between stakeholders, improving health monitoring, and facilitating early intervention, the system contributes to better quality of life for elderly individuals and peace of mind for their families. This project demonstrates how personal motivation can drive technical implementation, resulting in software that addresses real-world healthcare challenges. I hope you guys did enjoy the demo and the presentation, and thank you for watching.